Hey people of the interwebs, it is Q with another adventure in ARK Survival Evolved, and this is just a short one because I want to show you what I think is the ultimate place in ARK Scorched Earth to build your base. So here you can see we're just in front of the red obelisk, and down below me you can see the crevice. Now I think this is the ultimate place to build your base, and I'll show you why if we go inside. And I've marked my entranceway with two little walls with the permanent burning torches on them. So if I come in at night or in a dark situation, I can find exactly where my entrance is. Now the reason why I think this is so good is because you can block off this entrance here to stop things wandering in. You've got this huge area in which you can build your base. So far I've built a wooden structure that I'm slowly but surely turning into an adobe structure. And I'll tell you in another video why a wooden structure is not good. I also got one of the tents that I found in a drop, which I've set up there as well. That's very good for protective elements. Now, there's a bit of a problem here with building along this sandy part. And again, in another video, I'll tell you why that's bad. But the only entrance to here is from this ramp and down this ramp. So I put spiked walls at the bottom, which will stop most of the bad things, meat eaters, carnos and stuff like that, in particular getting in. So those are those two entrances to this cave area. Plus this cave area, once you're inside, will protect you from the sandstorms, and it will also protect you from the electrical storms. But just moving this way through the third entrance part of this, and nothing can get in here, this really is the key to why this is a great place to build your base. Because if we follow this pathway down, go under this little archway, we come into a cave system. I've explored this cave system quite a lot. It's a little bit warmer in here than elsewhere. I'm not sure why that would be so, but it is. And so in this cave system, you can build all through here. You can store dinosaurs all through here. Plus, there is, let me just light up my torch here so you can see. Lots of mineable rocks here. So obsidian, plenty of obsidian that will respawn there. There's metal rocks down here too. Up in this section is another great place to build storage or store dinosaurs and things like that. Going even further into this cave system, look what we find. Wow, it's a drop. And this will respawn. So inside there is a boomerang blueprint. I actually got a grenade. Whoa, I don't know where they came from. Alright, we're just going to get out of here. But further down there, it takes you to the artifact, and I'll just take you back into my little base area and show you what that artifact is that you can collect. The artifact of the gatekeeper. So that's what I collected when I went down to the bottom. Not very many spawns in here. You saw there was only a couple of those bat analog creatures. And then when you get down to the bottom, there's a couple of spiders and a few snakes. But again, a lot more mineable stone and iron and more obsidian. So in my opinion, this is a great place to build your base. Thing you're probably saying right now is, but where do you get the water? True. Water is one of the most important items that you need in ARK. And again, so coming out of my chosen entry exit point, you can exit from any point you want. Just over here, I found a well in a drop, and just over here is a water well point. So you can get your drinky here. And also, when you do tame, I think it's the morella tops, those things can be filled with water and act as giant water-carrying things. So just going back down here, I'll show you with the other place where you can get water. And you could, if you really wanted to do some engineering, is to maybe pipe it in. But that would be a big engineering feat, running a water pipe all the way along this channel or chasm. And when we come out into this canyon area, there is a lot of water to be had here. So that's why, in my opinion, this is probably one of the best places in the ARK Scorched Earth map to build your base. Protected from the elements, protected from the storms. Water is the only drawback, but if you want to do a major engineering feat, you can get the water sorted out. And you've got that cave system down here where you can go in and mine to your heart's content with only a few creatures spawning in here that are going to cause you any grief. So I'd appreciate your thoughts and comments on this place as a base, and tell me what you like about it and what you don't like about it. And if you want to see more adventures with Q in ARK Survival Evolved Scorched Earth, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below. As soon as I see them, I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and take it easy.